The Ultimate Economy Bookings Review, tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're hunting for budget-friendly travel deals, most people get this wrong by jumping straight to big-name booking sites without comparing options. The surprising truth about economy bookings is that it offers a platform focused on cost-effective hotels, flights, and travel packages while still maintaining reliability and user convenience. First, explore the booking process. You won't believe how fast it is. Simply enter your destination, travel dates, and preferences. Economy Bookings instantly provides a list of options sorted by price, ratings, and availability. Next, check reviews and ratings. Most people get this wrong by ignoring feedback from other travelers. Reading real reviews ensures you understand the property's quality, location, and amenities before committing. Economy Bookings integrates verified traveler reviews, giving you a trustworthy snapshot. Compare prices carefully. The surprising truth is that economy bookings often uncovers hidden discounts or deals that larger platforms may not display. Using the built-in filters helps you find the best value for your budget, whether it's a flight upgrade or a hotel with extra perks. Finally, review cancellation policies and extras. You won't believe how much stress you can avoid by knowing the refund rule and additional fees in advance. Planning ahead ensures a smooth, worry-free trip. In conclusion, economy bookings can take you from zero to pro in finding affordable travel options. By exploring the platform, reading reviews, comparing prices, and understanding policies, you can secure great deals safely and confidently. Budget travel doesn't have to be a gamble, it can be smart, efficient, and reliable.